Hey, this is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and an exciting day here at the shop. It's our official release of the Valenta 3 roaster that we've been working on, and we've been putting a few videos out kind of showing people what we are working on. This roaster is going to come in two configurations. The first is a base model, which will have the attachments and stuff for a blower you provide, similar to the Artisan 3E, and that package is going to be $4,800. It will include the bean cooler, all the attachments and stuff that go to the blower, so similar to the kit, and we'll have it on the website what's included with that. The other configuration is the deluxe model, and the deluxe model is going to have our whisper quiet exhaust system that we are really excited to work on, because one of the complaints with the roasters over the years is they really like the roasters, but it's really noisy. And this one is really, really quiet. So we found this blower from a supplier out of South Korea, and they build really high quality, really quiet blowers. And so that was a good improvement. The other thing on the deluxe model is a Cyclone. If you want to go around the other side there, Bryce. This Cyclone was developed specifically for this roaster and this blower, and it is really efficient. We're virtually losing no chaff out of it. We were filtering that to see what's getting by, and we actually had to go back and redesign it a couple times before we got it just right, and use our airflow simulator in SolidWorks to design that, which worked great. Yeah, so those are the two packages. The standard configuration for the deluxe model, this will fit with a blower up on top and in back in a 32 by 42 inch space. But a lot of people are going to probably want to mount this on a cart. And the cool thing with that is they make a standard size cart, and a lot of people did this with our 3E, on a 24 or 25 inch cart, 40 inches, and with a bottom shelf on it. And you'll be able to put the blower down below and then really have this on a mobile cart that's 24 by 40 inches. And so you just have this, the bean cooler, the chaff collector sits right over on the side here with the chaff drawer, and then the blower mounted below. That's actually how I would do it if I had one, because it would really make it mobile friendly to roll it in and out. Yeah, so these are going to be ready to ship in about 2 weeks. So we're in manufacturing now. We've got all of our powder coat parts back. Our UL's all finished. We're waiting on a couple of packaging materials to come in. They'll come in early next week. And yeah, they're going to be in production. We're going to have roasting videos coming up, so stay tuned for those. And we'll start working on those in the next week or two. And yeah, so if you're interested, they're going to be ready to order on the website. And if you have any questions about it, let us know. And yeah, exciting day.